Jazz and I are off on an adventure to Ewen Maddock Dam, so come along for the ride, guys. Alright, so Ewen Maddock Dam is like half an hour from the Sunshine Coast. Inland, never been there before, so we'll check it out. Jazz has got her snacks. Always got popcorn. Alright, we are here.
I was looking at the front of here. Is this broken?
Yeah, it's broken.
What happened?
I stacked it on the bike.
Oh.
Smashed up.
We're here. We're ready to walk.
We are ready to get our walk on. Let's go. Of course, it's raining because that's what it does whenever I want to do something. Fun time.
Do you think there's a path around here?
No. Neither of us have been here, so we're just trying to work out where to go and what to do.
Oh.
Blah, 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 blah.
Doesn't
blah,
matter
blah,
if we
blah.
get one. So we're just off Steve Irwin Way.
Oh yeah, you tell us where we are, Jazz.
We're at Ewen Maddock Dam. I haven't done this walk before, but apparently the full thing might actually be like 10k. But it ends up like, all the way over at Malula Valley maybe.
Ooh.
But we'll just see how far we go. And
Here we go. See what we feel like.
Fine.
It's actually not half an hour from the sunny coast. It was maybe like 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes in.
Yeah.
That's bad. Ewen Maddock Dam was actually when they had all the fires on in Biwa Forest. All the like jet things that come in and pick up water to dump on the fires, they like pulled it all out of here. So it's only just starting to get back up to level again, I think, after all this rain we've had.
There we go. Fun fact from Jazz.
Fun fact.
Thanks, girlfriend.
Oh, like here.
Cute little picnic areas. Go on a hot date there.
I feel like if we come to a... Oh no, not here. Oh, maybe
Bloody wildlife warriors over here.
let's see.
Oh,
I
we've
don't
gone
think
the
we've
wrong way.
gone the right way. I think we were supposed to take the other.
We didn't
path.
see a map, so.
We've hit a dead end.
But this is nice.
Don't get the crocs wet. They're not the right type of crocodile for this environment.
We got the mum jokes going on.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Bloody beautiful. Yeah.
Okay, walk.
We went the wrong way, so we're gonna try a different route.
We're going to try and find a sign.
Find a sign and see where the hell we're going. But yeah.
Before we hit up the leaky teapot for a dirty beef burger.
Yes, also there's a little coffee van that does burgers and coffees and treats, so if you get hungry,
Sign
we found a sign.
under that little hut.
Wrong way, but all part of the adventure. Okay, we found the map. Welcome to Ewen. Oh shit! Welcome to Ewen Maddock Mountain Bike Trail. So if you're a mad keen mountain bike rider, you should come here.
Oh yeah, it is 10k.
Yeah, 10k, allowed 2 hours. Usually, like, doesn't take that long.
Travel clockwise,
Yeah.
unlike what we did.
Don't go the wrong way.
Walkers beware.
We are here.
Trailers purpose-built for mountain bike ride. Walking trailers do so at their own risk. Oh well.
Let's see how many cyclists we can knock off.
Go low. There can't be that many here.
Looks cool.
Plus they're all going clockwise, so they should be at the start. So it's people who start behind it.
Always wear a helmet, guys. Safety first. Let's go the right way. Crocs and mud, no. Crocs and snow, no. Oh no, there's lots of mud.
Hey?
There's heaps of mud.
Gotta go around. Oh, there is heaps of
Get in there, Jazzy. So Jazz and I have been friends for like, I don't even, oh my socks got wet. How many years? We went to high school together, so, oh see, there's a cyclist. Get out of the way, mate. How many years, Jazz? Let us do our math.
Well, we graduated in 2008, and I reckon I started at that school 2 years before that, so 2006.
2024 take 2006.
18 years.
18 years. 18 years of friendship.
Wait, hang on, is that math right?
I don't know. I can't think.
6, 20, yeah, it's 2024, so in 2026, we'll be friends for 20 years.
Yes. Holy dooly.
What are we going to do to celebrate our anniversary?
Go to Vegas. No.
I'm keen. I'm keen if you are.
What happens in Vegas, guys? I've actually been to Las Vegas, fun fact.
What happens in Vegas ends up on YouTube.
Yes, what happens in Vegas ends up on social media. Always.
That microphone last night, brother. Don't get the Crocs wet. How? Me trying to get across here. Ah. Probably only got the top of my head there.
The sun is shining.
Finally. Oh, blue sky.
I'm sorry guys, I will be getting a microphone as well because I know it's really hard to hear me. So I will be investing in it. But you gotta like and subscribe and comment.
So you can afford it.
So I can get some mola to afford this. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Oh. Is he gonna land? It's a beautiful.
Quite nice. Trees and nothing.
How good is being in nature? It's just good for the soul.
That fresh air in.
This is not ideal.
This is a little bit wetter than we anticipated.
Crocs. I would say Crocs rock, but
Maybe wasn't the best choice of shoes.
you got this. Oh! Nothing worse than bloody wet socks.
Yeah, I do. Maybe you should better off taking your socks off.
What's wrong, Jazz?
What's wrong is I didn't bring my flippers to get through this fucking path.
Do we go up the side? Oh.
Going off road.
Oh.
You're gonna have to pole dance on that tree.
You first. Everyone likes a bit of pole dancing. Oh. She's wet. Yuck. Oh, yeah, girl.
Do you think we're gonna end up with ticks for being like proper in the bush?
I have a story about a leech, not a tick though.
Keep an eye out for leeches.
Ferny Forest Trail. So
It says, generally speaking, it takes the average person roughly between an hour and 40 minutes and 2 hours to walk 10 kilometres.
How far do we want to walk?
Well, I don't even know what time we started walking, do you?
The wrong way. Always going the wrong way.
I should have got Strava. Bloody hell.
Oh god, 1.7 k's of 10.
And we have no water.
We have
The
no.
idea was it to leave the waters in the car.
That was my idea. We have no water, so we're not sure how
Send help.
far we're gonna get.
I'm starting to get a dehydration headache.
200. Oh, I keep tripping. 200 mil tonight, guys. Well, in Australia, it's 200 mil in the Powerball.
Oh, it's the 1st of February today.
Yeah, pinch and a punch.
First day of the month.
No returns.
White rabbit.
So
Why did
yeah.
it say white rabbit at the end?
I don't know. 200 mil tonight. Hopefully, like, I don't know, one of us wins and
Hopefully I'm going to semi-retire like you.
we can semi-retire, buy a yacht, sell the world, live in Barry.
That would be heaven.
Spoiler alert, we didn't win. We're here. Living our best dog life.
Get me in. Oh look, a bucket hat for you.
Oh, cute! It's blue, my favourite colour. Put it on.
Well, yeah. Oh, and you get a view of Mount Viewer. Very nice. I think we started like over there. Like where that little thing comes out.
Over there somewhere. How nice is this? Feel the water.
Oh, it would be nice. But we're going to go to the beach instead. Because this is
The beach is the way to go. Get all salty, get barefoot, you know, salty barefoot blonde. ×2 today.
So we started here. We went all along here, but I didn't turn on Strava in time. We're currently here. And then to do the 10k loop, it's like... Plus, I think you can keep going around here. Like, see this whole loop ends like somewhere over here.
So we can see why this is a bike track, not a walking track.
Well, it's good if you want to walk 10k.
We weren't prepared, like we don't have any water or anything. So
We do have water, but it's in the car.
yeah, it's in the car because I said let's leave it in the car.
It's far.
So we might go back and go for a swim in the ocean instead. That's cool. Hi! Someone's been popping some pills.
Oh, what does it say?
Sevridol? Sevridol?
Oh. Weird. Alright. Nuts trying to get it for the gram. We found this really cool tree, and it's actually like hollow the entire way up. I don't know if you can really tell. It's not a great video, but it's a pretty cool tree. Take 58.
10, 9, 8,
Instagram first reality.
9,
It's
8,
got the crocs
7,
off.
6, 5, 4.
Is that going to be the video thumbnail?
Yes.
Oh,
Yay, it worked.
that's sick.
Yeah.
RIP to your sunglasses though.
Yeah, they're done. That's the shot.
Should have got the bucket hat on for the photo. Ooh.
Why is it blurry though? Yeah, I'll put...
I feel like we should make up a story for this guy in the bucket hat that was popping pills in the hollow tree.
Should we?
What do you think his name would have been?
Trent.
Trent from Punchy.
Trent from Punchy. Shout out to Trent from Punchy, one of my #1 subscribers out there. This is for you.
Yeah. Come collect your bucket hat. Nat's got it.
Should we do a reel? Ormiston School.
That's nowhere near. Isn't that in Victoria?
I don't know, but like, don't think I'm putting that on my head.
No, that's gross.
Sorry, Trent.
I'm pretty sure Ormiston is in Victoria. Just that one there, right in front of you. There's a hook. Up. Just there. In front. Up. No. Right there.
Oh, there. Ugh.
Leave it for the person to come back and get it.
There you go, Trent.
Pick up your litter.
Pick up your litter, your dogs.
I'm actually starving.
Alright, let's go get some food.
Let's get some meat pie.
Cool tree.
Or some something. Or go home and make salad bowls. Although I would have probably eaten my own stomach by that point. Ready to go back? Ready to lead the way?
We are done. Shut it down.
Pack her up, boys. We're going home.
Pack her up.
These sticks, they're just out to get us.
Yeah, definitely need some water.
Yeah. Some fresh water. Oh.
I feel like we're the most clumsy girls to come on.
So I feel like you're going to get demonetized if you've got me swearing on your thing the whole time. So you're going to have to come up with a sound that goes over the top of it or edit out all my swearing.
I swear a lot too. Sorry guys for swearing. Dance, girl, dance. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. We made it back to the car park. I think we did about 5Ks. We rolled 5Ks. We'll do the rest another day.